ruai ki ba pher kom ta ka ni ka puat kom ta ki ti bom pat yo e ka ja ngen ya ai lang ka jing thap ti ka ba jam ha ya ka ni ka ken hun ka khmi creative society kibala ban yeng nama ka jing ruai joki ka long ka ba sau tenat bat ngen ya ruai lang ni desa lang bat kiu
Jenmarang ko tagi wetenga jarangan apa cirangna ska wa kita parking kita yang namangen wa ci parking kita niki angema uci toilet tonga andigi mana uci parking ci ba biap tonga uci bi yang namangen nagi mangde chani ngani rangko nasungni biap pona sokatken nasimang ni asong ko biap pon nasungi dongai bo chingni volunteers rang sokatken
Oh
Halo.
Boleh.
Ya na ka jing thap ti ka bajam ya ka khmi creative society na ka banta kitu ki jing ruai ki bas ngau tanat.
We will all give a huge round of applause for the Khmer Creative Society for their beautiful and wonderful song.
Dan iwe iba kerteng Ivan I la kumpenja ya ka mobile. Lada dan menu-menu ki belayo tam ngau bahai kerpat yepi ba pinwan ai hang ni hostage.
One person have lost his mobile phone by mistake. If any one of you receive or get the mobile phone, please bring to the stage. Thank you.
Haga ka por ka ba mantapat ngin yo saya ka jingkren Nai Shri James PK Sangma Ubadeiru National Treasurer but Honorable Minister Government of Meghalaya.
Now we will get the address by Shri James P.K. Sangma, NPP National Treasurer and Honorable Minister Government of Meghalaya.
Gina ka jing tapti ka bajam ya Shri James PK Sangma.
Thank you, respected chairpersons of this program. Our most respected and Honorable National President and Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Dr. Conrad K. Sangma, our most respected Vice President of the National People's Party and the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Government of Meghalaya, Ba Preston Tinsong, my colleagues, Ba Snyobalang Dhar, our respected State President and Honorable MP Rajya Sabha, Dr. Karluki, our Member of Parliament, former Union Minister, Madam Agatha K. Sangma, all my dear candidate colleagues seated on the dais, all the leaders of the NPP, the national and the state unit present here for this program, and all my dear brothers and my sisters gathered here for this general election meeting of the NPP to kickstart the campaign for 2023 general elections. My brothers, my sisters, today is such a beautiful day, and I want to thank Almighty God for this wonderful moment of this family that all of us He has brought together today. And this beautiful day is made more beautiful because of the fact that all of us are here to send a message across to all our brothers and sisters in our state. A message of unity and a message of love. Unity, which is so apparent in this huge gathering that we are witnessing today. In the bonding of our party, which has always been more like a family than an organization. A message in love, in the fact that the NPP, in its unequivocal dedication and service to the people of our state, has demonstrated through all the work that our NPP-led government has done for the development of our state. I feel very nostalgic here today because seeing this gathering, being on this stage, takes me back to the 4th of January 2018, when we as a party, we were only 2 MLAs at that point of time, Mr. Nihim and myself, and our MP, our national president, Mr. Conrad Sangma. And from that very humble beginning, on January 4th, 2018, when our leaders came on the dais and they joined the NPP, and we went forth with conviction, with dedication, with sincerity, and with God's blessing and the blessing of all the people of this state, we were able to form the government in 2018. So today is indeed a very emotional moment because I look back to those humble beginnings, to those first steps that we have taken as a party. It is also a moment where I feel so proud because of the kind of achievements that we have been able to achieve together as a family. As we all know, NPP was started only in the year 2012 by our late founder leader, late P.A. Sangma. He set forth the foundations, the vision for the party. And those visions and those foundations have helped us to come this far. And although we started with such a humble beginning, today the NPP is a force to reckon with. It is a party which stands for its ideals, a party which stands by its principles, a party that has so much of dedication and love for the people of not just Meghalaya but the entire Northeast and all tribals and other marginalized people. And this is what makes me so proud that coming from that small beginning, today we are a national party. A national party with a state government in Meghalaya having MLAs all across the Northeast in Nagaland, Manipur and Arunachal Pradesh. It is indeed such a proud moment for each and every one of us here in our state that NPP, with its humble beginnings in Meghalaya today, has such a big impact and so many achievements under its belts. Facta non verba. This is something that any of us, if we go to St. Edmund's School, will be able to see as the motto of St. Edmund's School. And today I feel that these words are so relevant, which is in Latin but in English means deeds, not words. And today the NPP has demonstrated that we believe in action, we believe in deeds, we don't believe in just mere words. We don't believe in announcing that we will have a card system and if we come to power, we will give this much money to people. No. We believe in showing through our actions that we are for the people and we have delivered. Here, I want to take this opportunity to thank our national president, Mr. Conrad K. Sangma, who has led us through all the rough weather, through stormy seas, through all the challenges that we have faced as a party. And it has not been easy. All of us know, dear friends, how challenging and difficult it has been for our national president to run a government, a coalition government, and that too successfully to have completed 5 years of its term, and at the same time to see that the NPP party grows in such a manner from strength to strength. It has been no mean feat, dear friends, which is why today I feel so proud that we have a national president like Mr. Conrad K. Sangma who leads from the front, who leads by example, and who has delivered, not words, deeds. Not just mere words, but action. And this is something that we as a party, having led this government, we have shown to the people of our state. I think that today is a great moment for all of us. Today, this brotherhood, this sisterhood, and coming together as a family to get to meet each other today is such a great moment. But I think the work starts now. All of us, all of you are our leaders. You are the pillars of the National People's Party. You are the voice of the NPP. And today, after this meeting, our work starts because now we must start working for the party to make sure that there will be many sacrifices we will have to make. We will have to put in a lot of hard work, but we have to ensure that our candidates of the party have to win. And I'm very, very confident and I have complete faith in our NPP family, in each and every one of you, that all of you will live up to the challenge, and you will ensure the victory of all our candidates. My colleagues, Dr. Amperine and Mas Nyauba, have said that we will have a single majority government. And I tell you
your own place.
Ngina ka jing thap ti ya kini kikin hun ki ban sai ka jing ruai ha ka ni ka por ka bamanta lakar pat ki pat ba ki ba ki jongi bakin sngau ha ban chong ha kini ki shuki sngau ha na mar ba jingelang tempat wai ki tu ki ba yang sti sadien ki badan sti serut sekiar kin sngau ha ban chong ha kini ki shuki
Jenmarang kon taki wiat tenga, jerangan chamanaha, jerangan chatingi dongenga cem, antan tani biapona ribatai asong Cina. Dawan sini mongsong kepa meeting dongenga maksud kujainga, unik men ciarang bangien kali dongenga, ino ribaimna antan tani biapo asong pa Cina mulatenga. Mentela. Thank you.
Jungi kasapau hakarai kebangin rai harus kita buat baru kalian jangan kerpat haka kuat boleh buat.
So that the leaders can have the wisdom to take the right decisions. The leaders can have the wisdom to take the right decisions. The courage to do the right thing. That in these last 5 years of prayers, that in these last 5 years of prayers, we have faced a large number of challenges. We have faced a large number of challenges. But your prayers have always reminded us do what is reminded us. Be wise, do what is correct. Keep the people first. Be wise, and through many difficult situations, and through many difficult situations, we were able to move friends. Guided a large number of challenges. We have faced a large number of challenges. Your prayers have always to greater heights. Your prayers have always in the last what reminded us. Be wise, do what is correct. Keep the people. There was a time in 2018 when Meghalaya used to be at the bottom of the different rankings in the country. Under simple programs like MGNREGA, which is the job card as we all know, Meghalaya used to be at the bottom in the rankings in the whole country. And in a matter of 5 years, today we are among the top 5 states in the country in terms of our performance in MGNREGS. There was a time we're not able to get vaccination. Though the vaccines were available, but the system was not working. We were ranked at 27, 28, 29 in the country in terms of the children getting immunization. But because of the hard work of this government, in the last 5 years, we are today, from rank 27, today we are ranked 2nd in the country. In the last 20 years, the large number of roads that could not be made, this particular NPP-led government has made more roads than what was made in the last 20 years of this state. This NPP-led government has been able to give water to more houses in the last 5 years than was being able to give in the last 50 years of the statehood. In the last 5 years, we gave more than what was achieved in the last 50 years. What could not be done in the last 50 years, an issue of border issue, because of which many people have lost their lives. Many people spent sleepless nights. It is this NPP-led government that has laid the foundation, has taken that decision. And as you all have always prayed, that this government has taken, the government has had the courage, we've had the wisdom because of your prayers to be able to move forward and take the border issue to its logical conclusion. And I can assure you that if there is any political party that will be ever able to find a solution to the border issue, it is the National People's Party. And I assure you that given the opportunity in 2023 in this general election, we will find a solution and we will resolve the border issue so that people in the state, especially the border areas, can live in peace. My friends, this 2023 election is a very crucial election for us. 50 years of the statehood have gone. And in the last 50 years, there are many things that we may have achieved. The question is, where do we go from now? How do we move forward? And hence, we all have to ask ourselves the question, what is it that we will decide? It was 50 years back that Meghalaya had a full majority government. History will repeat itself. After 50 years, the question each one has to ask, that will we once again get a full majority government? Will we once again repose our faith in the leaders? Will we once again give our vote to a political party which has proved itself in the last 5 years, so that we are able to lay the foundation stones, so that in the next 50 years, every youth in our state will be getting the opportunity to be able to fulfill their dreams, so that every woman in our state is able to work towards ensuring that she has a happy family and she's able to contribute to the economic positivity of the family, so that every farmer can get the opportunity to be able to grow their products, process them, and get the best price for it. So that every citizen in our state, whether it's Khasi, Garo, Jaintia, all the other tribes, all the communities, all the religions who are here, so that we can all live together in peace and harmony and take our state forward. Will we lay that foundation stone? Will we lay the basis of that in this coming election? This is the question that we need to ask ourselves. And friends, I know that the people of this state are waiting. I know that the people of this state want a strong government. I know the people of the state will repose their faith in the National People's Party, so that the National People's Party will be able to form a single majority, a single party government in 2023. And this will depend on you. This will depend on you. And hence, friends, the time has come for us to make sure that we are able to fulfill these dreams. The dream to have a new Meghalaya. The dream to see that our state is at the top of the list. No longer do we want people to look at small states or say that this is a tribal state, that Meghalaya and the states in the northeast are not able to govern themselves. We want to make the people of Meghalaya and the people of Northeast proud. Proud so that in the coming years, the rest of the country and the rest of the world should look at Meghalaya and say that we would want to be like Meghalaya. We would like to see that our governance is done the way Meghalaya is being governed. We would want our economic growth to be the way it is in Meghalaya. That is the kind of vision with which we want to work. And I'm sure with all your support, we will be able to move forward in that direction. मेरे प्यारे भाइयों और बहनों, मुझे आज बहुत खुशी है कि आज आप सब आज इस प्रोग्राम में और इस सभा में आप लोग यहां पे आए। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि शिलोंग सिटी के लोग और मेघालय में जो अलग अलग एरियाज में सभी कम्युनिटी के हमारे जो लोग रहते हैं, वो इस आने वाले इलेक्शन में नेशनल पीपल्स पार्टी को सपोर्ट करेंगे। क्योंकि मुझे विश्वास है कि आज नेशनल पीपल्स पार्टी एक ऐसी पार्टी है जो हमारे स्टेट में एक स्टेबल और एक स्ट्रांग गवर्नमेंट और सरकार दे सकती है। एनपीपी के अलावा और कोई ऐसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी नहीं है जो आज हमारे मेघालय स्टेट में एक सरकार बना पाए, और वो भी एक फुल मेजॉरिटी सरकार। तो मैं चाहूंगा कि आप भी हमारे साथ जुड़े, आप भी हमारे साथ काम करें, ताकि इस आने वाले 2023 के चुनाव में हम सब एक साथ मिलकर मेघालय को हम लोग आगे बढ़ा पाए, मेघालय में हम लोग शांति लेके ला पाए, हम लोग मेघालय को एक नई गति से आगे हम लोग बढ़ा पाए। तो दोस्तों, एक बार फिर आप सभी को मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि आप लोग इस प्रोग्राम में आए, और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आप हमारे साथ रहेंगे और इस 2023 के इलेक्शन में हमारे सारे कैंडिडेट्स आज आपके सामने हैं। ये एक नया हमारा एक टीम है, मेघालय का टीम, और मुझे विश्वास है कि ये जो टीम हमारे सामने है, ये हमारे लोगों को आगे रखकर काम करती है, हमारे स्टेट को आगे रखकर काम करती है, हमारे देश के भलाई के लिए हम लोग काम करते हैं, और इसी मकसद से हम लोग आज आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। मुझे विश्वास है कि आप लोग हमारा साथ देंगे और इस 2023 इलेक्शन में एनपीपी की सरकार पूरी मेजॉरिटी को लेकर आएगी। अनिका सर पिंगरंग ang dengtang mansa ya cholkur ay na simang sakan chikon Garo Hills ni dengtang background ni cirangan da aluri bachim na simang sakan chikon ya meeting na ramchakswa aro dengtang mansa na simang sakan chikon nga matellaska da alo ya stagejo Khasi Hills aro Garo Hills aro Gente Hills ni dengtang back ni candidate rang da alo yano donga Khasi Hills ba aro Gente Hills ba National People's Party na main blocking hang bak nga leader rangan jerangan dengtang party rango dungachim dalo National People's Party o dalo na pe kusyong dalo party na kam ka inga aro dalo party ni tikito chakatinga uniga man yari bainga pa election an china na main gam chatkin aro nga na main ka dong swinga ya leader rang ni na pachi anchini party na main block tapaha aro yari bainga pa hazar gani kolda ka tambal sio Anjing Garo Hills sanokja, deba Khasi Hills aro Gente Hills ba, anjing chunga kata emilirang ko matne, anjing full majority government ko hazar kani kolda tambal sio anjing naman gen. My dear friends, with these few words, I once again thank all of you. It has been a very, very long day, and you have all been very, very patient. I thank all the organizers, especially our youth, all our women's wing, all the organizers, the volunteers who have really done a fantastic job. This program would not have been possible without all the work that has gone in from our youth, from our women's wing, and from our volunteers. So thank you so much. I thank all the performers who had given an excellent performance today. They were so passionate, and they were almost as if they were They were like the office bearers of the National People's Party. You could see the kind of passion with which they were performing, the words that they were using, and the kind of passion with which they were singing was really, really motivational. So thank you so much to all the performers. Once again, I thank each and every one of you for coming to this program. And I wish all our candidates who are out here, that I wish and I pray and I hope that God gives you the wisdom and all the necessary blessings so that you can come out successful in this coming 2023 elections. Before I end, I would urge all of you, can we all rise up once? Can we all stand up? And I will say, long live. And I would like you to repeat by saying NPP. But I would like you to say it very loudly, because I saw that all of you already had lunch. So I'm sure that you have the energy. We in the stage, we have not had lunch yet, so maybe it'll be light, slightly softer this side. But all of you should shout with all the energy that you have, so that the whole of Shillong and the whole of Meghalaya can hear you. Long live!
NPP!
Long live!
NPP!
Long live!
NPP!
The battery is very low. Let's raise our hands when we say NPP. Everybody raise your hands. Long live!
NPP!
Long live!
NPP!
Long live!
NPP!
That's much better. Thank you very much. May God bless each and every one of you. May God bless our candidates and all our party office bearers and leaders. And may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Kublai Shibun, Mathela, and Jai Hind.
Kublai Shibun sa nakabentai ti kentien kibalong kisembo badru ki kentien kibala ban ai jingkermen yang i wei pi wei kinokersan bangin yo i kajing job how news nam arjar arpulai.
Thank you so much, sir, for the inspiring words and wonderful words that you have given to each and every one of us. And I believe that in the next 2023 election, NPP will win the single majority.
Hagani kapor kapamentapat haswa bangin siyo ya ka vote of thanks na Mrs. P Nong Polo ibadai I Women State President jong ka National People's Party nginyo shwa sa kaway pat ka jingruay na ka kanhun colors.
Before we get the vote of thanks from our NPP Women State President, Mrs. P Nong Polo, once again we will hear the original composition song from the team Colors. Let us all give a huge round of applause once again for the Colors.
Before that, we'll have the vote of thanks as they prepare
Kerpa ikipaj ba bandum pat yalet.
Before that, we will have the vote of thanks as the team are getting ready.
Kublai epi baro kipaj ba kibadan menta kasngi saudong jong kani kapulo. I thank you Almighty for His blessing, open us and open this program today. I thanks ba Iban Simle and Kong Damelari Rendetiang for comments comparing this program. I thanks Reverend Bibi Wankar for the event version. I thank Sri Sir Kanrat K. Sangma, Sir Preston Tensong, Sir D.R.W. Kharshieng, or Khalduki, sorry, Sir James P. Sangma, Sir Singabhalang Khar, and Kong Amparin Lendo from your Emperor's speech, and all the candidates who attend this program. I thank Sri Olamin for closing prayer. I thank all the performance by Banker, Pinter, Color, and Khmi, Great Society, and all with your program. I thank the media print, and electric for over, and even thanks the photographer team and also for covering this evening. I thank the sounds team led by Ba Job Teuso and Ba Ibor Talang for all the sound arrangement. I thank Ba Jason Manner and Roxine MC for making all the program and the ground include the drop function. I thank all the NPP candidate MDC for your presence, and I thank the district administrator and police, MCL, PWD Road, DMHO, and other government department for permission granted and for assistance received and organization this program, and also the private security and agency for the security traffic arrangement. I thank the SRSGT MFA for granted permission to us the ground and utilize. I thank all the people and who all help us with their programs this today. Thanks all the party workers from the youths and all the volunteers and all the block, the unit who present here for your all hard work we can achieve today. Thanks everyone. Thanks. Kublai Shibon Yapi Barok.
Kublai Shibon Kong yang kintian ay kublai kijong pi yang ilang baro.
Thank you
Hagan
so much. Kong.
Hagan ikapor kapamatang ginyo banyayeng lang. But Ishri O Lamin, if they member of the National People's Party State Disciplinary Committee, by in your banbu ay kijing duway.
At this moment, I request everyone to please stand up in your respected seat. We will get the closing prayer from Shri O. Lamin, member NPP State Disciplinary Committee.
Tongin doai. Try wo playing aingu man banta jong ka program ka meladon rengkat bat ngin do basdang kat do kene ka banta bangin pengkut ika ngin mi nang ne atrai kunat rengkat bat ki candidate ki jongi atrai kunat ya ka ka bangin layo na kene ka program atrai kunat baka nengkong bangin mi atrai kunat kum ki candidate ki jong ka party atrai kunat ya rab bakin mi benda ka mensem atrai kunat bakin bo shwa ya me blay bi emblay badon bor hakmat jongki bakin shepting ya meru atrai kunat bat mem ayaki atrai kunat ka jing start ka jing tip ka jing shampang ya ki bakin nang la pantrai haki constituency ki jongki atrai kunat kar khui ki ka met ka phat ba shai ba kya kunat bat ka mensem atrai kunat bakin sngau bang pantrai na ka banta ka jing don kam jong ka jala ki constituency ki jongki barok ka we kar khu de ru atrai kunat yangi barok ki ban mi nang ne man lek phai ki yang ki sem ki jongi don rangkat bat ngi hakelinti ya kelinti yeng ki jongi banaya kar khu de ru ya ka party ki jongi bangin la ban wan ha ka jing job how news number ka jing ngai atrai kunat ngi yo I atrai kunat ba mem syam le e ingi ha ka jing ya lenti ki bangila de ban yat katto santali ki snam na yat pitin ngi sound news nam uban wan bat buai no to ai ba ka jing ai badab yang ka jong Jesus Christ try ka jing I ba ka jong blek pa blek kon wa blame sim koi to the ai kini ki lai huai ki shong ya sarangkat bat ka party ki jong I bat ki nong tre ki jong I harangkat bat me atrai kunat ndom ta bat chdo ki bom chikon amen.
Kublai Shibon kipat ba. Hagan ikapor kapamata ngin siyo ya kijing ruai na ki kenhun kalas bat kerpat ya baro ki candidates bakin sengau bahaban yo banya sundur lang kat ba ki kenhun kalas kidang yo na kabentaban ai kijing ruai.
I request all the candidates to come in front. We'll get one photograph. All the candidates.
Check. Baro ki candidate kin yang hang ni hakmat.
It's for you and me. Vote for NPP. Vote for NPP. National People's Party. It's for you and me.
Shot, kick it, play, what's your mom, shot? Koblay Shibun ya pi baro ki pajba leisuk poisuk poisan selaki jong ki jaka selaki jong ki snong ki badang ko aban syat kin syat
Thank you all.
pajba baro leisuk blain kerkui pi kerman skamba kinong kersian bai jongi kin tracy tam halaki jongki constituency haga bangin penti kena bangin yo ya ke jingjob lingba jau ni usnam ar hajar ar polai
Kalau kerpat ya ki volunteers jongi papinom padialek namar ngi haban lom banlang ya kini ki tum ki tam ki bangilapen jabok ya kini kamadan ngin haban tamno ya ki water botol ngin haban tamno ya ki foil kenang ba kani kejaga kenong ka ba khoi haden ba kani ka meeting jongi kalawai ki volunteers ki official ki supervisor Gobha Komba pila ya tresitam hap ya sya swasa cifen bangin ya lom ya lang ya kineki kom hitam ki bala long ka puti kun kreala se kini madan i kacing lekhoj kom ka National People's Youth Front koblai shibon
Sadir ng raksha ka NP